Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft 365 app registration for Graph API, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft 365 app registration for the Graph API, begin by visiting the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Sign in using your Microsoft 365 administrator credentials. In the left-hand navigation pane, click on Azure Active Directory. Next, select App Registrations from the menu. Click on the New Registration button at the top of the page. Fill out the registration form with the required information. Enter a name for your application in the name field. Choose the appropriate supported account type for your application. If your application requires a redirect URI, enter it in the designated field. After filling in the necessary details, click on the Register button. Once the registration is complete, you'll be redirected to the app's overview page. Next, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID displayed on this page. To enable API permissions, navigate to the API Permissions tab on the left. Click on the Add a Permission button. Select Microsoft Graph from the list of available APIs. Choose either delegated permissions or application permissions based on your application's needs. Search for the permissions required for your app and check the corresponding boxes. Click on the Add Permissions button to confirm your selections. If admin consent is required for any permissions you've selected, click on the Grant Admin Consent for. A confirmation message will appear indicating that consent has been granted. Now, head to the Certificates and Secrets tab on the left. Click on New Client Secret. Add a description for the secret and select an expiration period. After setting up the secret, click Add. Once created, make sure to copy the value of the client's secret immediately as it will only be. Now that your app registration is complete, you can begin using the Microsoft Graph API. Make sure to configure your application to utilize the application ID, directory ID, and client secret accordingly. You've successfully enabled Microsoft 365 app registration for the Graph API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.